Hare Krishna. Our functional core is presently not our constitutional core. When we consider an object suspended in space, it has two centers, the center of gravity and the center of mass. Depending on the nature of the gravitational force, depending on the nature of the way the object is tilted, the center of gravity and the center of mass may or may not match. The center of mass is where the mass is concentrated. The center of gravity is where gravity pulls it the most. So in spiritual life also, we can compare the force of gravity to the pull of worldly desires that drag us down. And we have our constitutional core. We are at our core souls. We are the Atma. However, the word Atma is sometimes used non-literally also to refer to our essence. In the Bhagavad Gita 2.45, Traigunya Vishaya Vedanis Traigunya Bhavarjuna Nirdvandvo Niti Sattvastho Niryoga Kshema Atmavan. He says, become Atmavan, become a possessor of the soul. What does it mean to become a possessor of the soul? It means become aware of your spiritual consciousness. Become aware that you are spiritual. And that requires detachment. Kamatmanah swargapara janma karma phalapradam kriya vishesha bahulam bhogaishwarya gatim prati. So kamatmanah, this is 2.43, that these people who are attached to worldly pleasures, it is like kama is their atma. That means for them, their worldly desires are their very soul. They have nothing else in their lives. Kam Atman. So we can say that our constitutional core is the soul, but our functional core is that which we consider to be our essence. So for some people it may be money, and their whole world centers around their money. For some people it may be their fame. For some people it may be their looks. So as long as there is this disconnection between our functional core and our constitutional core, there is going to be disharmony and dissatisfaction. So purification essentially means that we remove the influence of worldly desires on us, and thereby we bring our functional core in harmony with our constitutional core. That means we realize that we ourselves are souls, and that soul and the soul's relationship with the whole Krishna, that is the most important thing in our life. To the extent we realize that, to that extent we become purified, pacified and satisfied. Thank you. Hare Krishna.